Trust me, if you don't have a plan, chances for failing is very high. Whatever you want to do in life, make sure you have a plan. So today I will focus more on planning. Whether it's education, career, family, business, you need to have a plan.
You see, if you don't have a vision of where you go, and if you don't have a goal where you go, you drift around and you never end up anywhere. So I felt so blessed that I knew what I was doing. I knew where to go. Every rep that I do gets me closer to accomplishing that goal, to make this goal, this vision turn into reality.
There is a saying, if you have no plan, you are planning to fail. So a plan is basically a guideline spanning from 2, 3, 5 or even 7 years. It all depends what you are trying to do.
Good point.
So if you talk about a business plan, normally it's subdivided to 3 stages, namely short-term, mid-term and long-term plan. The reason why you need to have 3 stages is because many people might not have that much of money or resources to execute everything they want to do within a short period of time. So therefore, most people will end up that they need to split to 3 stages, and you have to list down what is important to be executed within the short-term plan, and the remaining you will allocate it to the mid-term and long-term plan. Every stage will have its own financial requirements, so if you plan properly, you will have sufficient cash flow to complete your entire plan from short until long term. Trust me, if you don't have a plan, chances for failing is very high.
Your man, your plan. Do I really look like a guy with a plan?
So spend time to plan properly so that you have a higher percentage to achieve your goal. Remember to subscribe to my channel and continue to learn more. I see you again.